This is Vocal News by Team 423.
So our co-designer is Mrs. Sang, or my grandmother, and she's currently 86 years old and she's struggling with dementia. She lives with me and she was born in Korea, so Korean is her natural language, and she enjoys reading newspaper. However, her struggles with dementia have hindered her from doing so, and it's been proven that mental stimulation can reduce the effects of dementia.
Our aim is to provide the co-designer with a simple and engaging way to access news that is read aloud to her.
We tried basing our program off of UIs such as BBC News and Korean Times.
How it works. Our prototype takes input from a user interface made with Radio. It then uses News API to find relevant news articles. It scrapes and returns the text from the selected articles and then uses Hugging Face to output text to speech.
So here's an example of our co-designer interacting with our product.
Good. Now click, push. Harmony. Harmony is something new.
뭔지 모르지만
She's like, I don't know what this is, but I'm learning.
그 치료제는 미국에 오는 게 it takes time to come to.
Okay, so you understood it?
Thank you very much for this program. It will help me to understand what's going on in the world, so I will become smarter.
This is how the program actually works.
In a recent discovery, scientists have identified what they believe to be the largest marine reptile to have ever lived. The creature is longer than two nose-to-backbone Tyrannosaurus rex. Not stopping there, astronomers have found more evidence supporting the existence of a mysterious planet at the edge of our solar system.
This is an example of the translation feature.
최근 뉴스에서 천문학자들은 우리 태양계의 가장자리에 신비한 행성의 존재를 뒷받침하는 더 많은 증거를 발견했습니다. 이 발견은 컨스탄틴 보기틴과 그의
We went through several iterations over this project. Our lo-fi prototype had a different text-to-speech model, which was choppy and very slow, and the UI wasn't complete. Our hi-fi prototype still used that same slow and choppy model, but had a better looking interface, and it was more functional. But our final prototype uses a different text-to-speech model, which is much more clear and loads much faster. And the interface is still much more improved, and we added a translation feature.
Here's an example of some of our old prototypes and how the clarity was not very good.
Official voted illegally 9 times. Who has promoted former President Donald Trump?
As you can see, it was very choppy. Our future plans are to improve the functionality and extend the text-to-speech program to read other sources, not just news articles. Things we learned along the way is that planning is very important, and scheduling and setting goals improves our timeline. Assigning specific tasks makes work more efficient and helps stuff get done. And YouTube, games, and food are very interesting distractions, but they hinder us from making improvements. Thank you.